A leaking roof can't wait. At Single Ply Roofing Experts, we specialize in fast, effective roof leak repair for commercial and industrial properties. We service across California, Arizona, and Nevada, ensuring businesses in these states have reliable, expert care.
Whether it's minor water intrusion or ongoing leaks, we diagnose the problem at its source and fix it right the first time. We use advanced tools like infrared moisture mapping and drone inspections to catch what others miss. With over 20 years of experience, we deliver guaranteed repairs backed by 20 and 30-year NDL warranties and top-tier safety standards. Every roof and leak is different. That's why we offer custom repair solutions, clear communication, and financing when needed. Don't let a leak compromise your building. Request your free roof leak repair estimate today.